Hello guys, we gonna go fishing. We go fishing.
Bingo is just like standing over there. They're gonna shout again.
Mudah-mudah mo tangla, di ba? Sabi ni lemongrass, ha?
Hatlok sa hatlok mga
Laho-laho na yung talawit na siya. Pati sapat-sapat nga yung gagmay, gina tanaw niya.
But Mal, that's too tight.
Bot, come here, Bot.
But Mal.
Stinky.
Come here. So this is how we catch fish in Cambodia. We put shrimp. Oh, it's raining. Yerchi, go back there. Or get the umbrella. Siluso man nga ulan eh. Sibol eh.
Para may mabaho diri. Asadyang obra.
It's raining. Wala mo sabi sa akon talinga. Okay, first launching.
Smelly, stinky, yucky. I have a shirt.
Even when soak me up the
Kampas. Did he eat? No? Maybe they don't like the smell of the shrimp. So smelly. This is our place in Kampot. Rice field. It's raining.
Yerchi, you can go here, Yerchi. Oh.
It's raining, Yerchi.
Here under the
I think we need the umbrella. Hididaya is there with Panyapot. Oh, worm. Fish like worm than shrimp. So let's change our bit with worm. So the fish doesn't like the shrimp, so let's change worm.
Daddy, where to go?
Hmm?
Where to go?
Just
Right.
find your way. Careful not to fall down.
What are you touching?
Worm. Earthworm.
I want to see. I cannot see.
There. Earthworm.
How does Pastor Bob know where to find?
Mr. Bob knows.
The worm is so sad. The worm can't go back to his family.
Yeah, that's roll.
Oh, it's going. It's there.
Do not close here, Hidayah. You may fall down.
Where's the worm now? It's gone.
Don't close to the bank. You see.
Ah, giant ant.
Back off.
Giant ant.
You may fall down.
Giant red ant, the one that Johan's dad put to you.
Okay, so we're gonna catch a big fish. A giant fish. Careful.
Why?
Careful not to goes into your ears. Go back there, Yurtsi. That's dangerous. It will goes into your ears.
Sa ako nga pagulang doon sa una. Sa munit. Balaan mo na ang papisik nga pan.
Nga.
Bunit. Daw kuha na siya nga may pangabalan.
Smells like
Okay, see that? Oh, we catch a giant fish. So fish really likes the. Ooh! Whoa! Whoa! Look at that! So big.
We got a fish.
Okay, successful.
It might fall down. Don't let it fall down.
Tilapia?
Yeah.
Stop! You're making me fall down. Just
So
stop
big.
holding Daddy.
So big.
Daddy, get away. You're touching the earthworm.
And then after you get, and then you throw it back, and then someday you will not eat again. Oh, they really like the worm.
Oh.
See, let me see.
I want to hold the.
Let it free.
We just catch it